Hey queens, welcome and welcome back to the Baddest Palette Show. Hold on. Hey queens, welcome and welcome back to the Baddest Palette. It's your girl Jimmy and I'm back again with another video. You already know, you know I'm this girl. Okay, so in today, if you don't know me, my name is Jumi. Actually, my name is Jumi O, but I go by Jumi. I'm 17 years old. In today's video, I am doing a DIY. This is not a tutorial because this is actually my first time, well, my second time, because I did test pants yesterday and they came out pretty good. I just wanted to show you guys that I'm that girl in anything I want to do, okay? Yeah, so stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Oh yeah, I might not be talking a lot because there's music being played downstairs. So now let's get it. Let's get it.
My trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my body straight. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my body straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my body straight. Baby, don't be this penthouse view ain't as beautiful as you. Wanna have time, but I don't think I'll be. Oh, I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Step and spray on my dime, looking all kinds of new. Do you know what I like? What would you like to do? Tell me, I'm telling you.
I sewed the wrong side. I'm okay.
I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my people straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get.
I will let you
Don't mind it, it's fabric and it really messed up my whole floor, but I'm showing you this because I'm done. I'm not done, like the pants aren't done, but I'm done. Hey queens, it's the next freaking day and honestly yesterday the pants weren't coming out the way that I wanted it to, so I just like redid it again, like off camera. I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. I just need to put on the waistband and then I'm done. I'm so excited. And yeah, okay queens, here is my pants. As you can see, they're way better than yesterday. Let me turn around for you. I just need to put on the waistband and then I'm done.
dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. Can you see me a cleanest? Those when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching-ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his squeeze silicon and real bless. Can a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Not like ease out, ease out.
This is the finished look. I know that you can't really see everything, but when I lift up my leg, look. Bam. I put on the waistband. Everything looks good. Okay, look at the back. Then look at the side. Then look at this side again. Bam, 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 bam. And it's like really hard to put on because my butt is so big, but when I put it on, it looks really nice. We see a high rise right here because I don't know how to cut. I'm not a fashion designer. Yeah. And then you see the back. Ooh, ooh, whose booty is that? Then you see the side. You see the front. Bam, 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 check up, bam, bam, and up. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.